Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can access data from a dictionary in Python. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside of square brackets. Also, there is a method called get that will give you the same result, but there is a difference. So let's see that in action. So for example, I want to get the brand of the car details. So to get the brand, what I can do, print first of all, and then car details, and then I have to add the square brackets, and then I have to add the key. So as you can see inside of the VS Code, we are getting some auto completions as well, which is nice. So let's do brand. Okay. So if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting Ford here. Okay, all right, this is good. Also, what we can do print car details dot get, and here inside of the parenthesis, this is a method. We can do brand as well. Okay, run the program. As you can see, we are getting Ford and Ford. That is good. Now, what is the difference between these two methods? First of all, I will comment out this one. And let's see what we get when we are giving an invalid key. Something like, let's do something like active or something like that, right? So we are having the is active, but we are just giving the active key here. Okay. All right. If I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting an error like, hey, key error active. So there is no key inside of this dictionary called active. Okay. All right. But if we do the same thing with the get method, okay, so active. Okay. If I just now run the program, as you can see, we are not getting an error. We are getting none. Okay, so this is the difference between these two syntax. Okay, so whenever we want to avoid an error, then we can use the get method. Okay, so whenever we are unsure whether or not if a key is present inside of this dictionary, then we can use the get method. If the key is present, then we will get the key. If not, then we will get none. All right. So this is how we can access the individual values from a key inside of the dictionary. All right. So I will just comment out this one as well. Then we have the keys method. The keys method will return a list of all of the keys in the dictionary. So let's see that in action. So let's do print once again, and then car details dot keys. Okay. So this is our car details, and we are getting the keys from the car details. So as you can see, we are getting the dict keys, brand, model, year, is active, and colors. Okay. So we are getting all of the keys inside of a list here. All right. Then we have the values method as well. The values method will return a list of all of the values in the dictionary. So what we can do the same thing here once again. So print car details dot values. Okay. Now run the program. We are getting dict values, which is Ford, Mustang, 1964, false, and this list of colors. Okay. So in this way, we can get the keys and the values individually inside of the list. Okay. All right. Then we have the items method as well. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. So I will just comment out this once. And here what I can do print and then do car details dot items. Okay. All right. Now if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting dict items. So Here we are getting a tuple of lists. Okay, so this is a tuple. So we will discuss about the tuples in the upcoming videos. Okay, so stay tuned. So this is a tuple. Okay, this is one tuple. There is another one. So brand is Ford, model is Mustang, year is 1964, is active is false, colors is this list. Okay, so this is the items method. All right. So this is how we can access the items inside of a dictionary. Okay. So we have seen this one. We have seen the get method. We have seen the keys method to access all of the keys. We have seen the values method to access all of the values. We have seen the items method to access all of the items inside of a tuple. Okay. Awesome.